Hello, Zippo world. It's Mr. Zippo once again. I'm going to go over some my favorite Zippo lighters here. I like to collect uh, logos, from company logos, ones that you'll recognize. Some of these are from the 50s. So I always use my handy pocket guide and some other guides that I've showed you here on Zippo World. So first up, let's get to it. Okay, Monsanto. There we go, Monsanto. Boy, that's nice. This is a nice lighter. Good shape, look at that. Let's look on the bottom here, and this is either 58 or 59. Sometimes those 2 years are hard to determine. Depends on the place of the patent number. This is that patent number that ends 191. But look at that. That is in great shape from the 50s. Imagine this is over 50 years old. I open it up. Looks pretty good inside. Ah, did you see that spark? Did you hear the famous Zippo click, 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 click? So, yeah, it's a beautiful lighter, Monsanto. You can find this on my eBay store, Christos G 510, CHRISTOS 510, Army, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, Air Force, Seabees, SEAL Team 6. Okay, so that's Monsanto. That's a beautiful lighter from the 50s. Next up, Caterpillar. Yeah, Caterpillar. We know what Caterpillar is. That's not the thing that crawls along the ground. This says Caterpillar REG USA patent off. So when I look on the bottom of this has got the 2517191 registered patent pending. So when it says patent pending, okay, patent pending. So this could be, it's got anywhere from 1950 to 1957. I'm trying to determine that, if you could see that right in there. So that is 50 to 57. Nice hinge. Beautiful shape, front and back. There's a few little where the caterpillar is engraved. There's a few nicks there. Open this bad boy up. Did you hear that? The old Zippo. Let's see what it does. Sparky. Has a new flint in it. But yeah, it's well preserved Caterpillar. 1950 to 57. Okay, next up, white Freightliner. Them big old semis. Quad Cities, white auto car company. Look on the bottom here. 4 dots, 4 dots, 4 dots, 4 dots. My best estimate, 1958. 1958. Look at that. Look at the nice shape that thing is in. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Oh. Look at how clean that is. That is one clean smokestack there. The old chimney. Some people call it the chimney, the smokestack. Zippo, baby. Guaranteed for life. Bradford, PA, USA. 1958. They're not making any more of these 1958 Zippo lighters. You know what I'm saying? So, just a reminder, hit our subscribe button. Go to the eBay store, Christos G 510, Army Navy. What do we got here? Northern Pacific Railway. Big old emblem on that. You can see how it sticks out. Sucker looks in good shape. 1972. So about 40 some years old. Nice Zippo lighter. I like that sound. Let's see what it does. Looks pretty clean inside. Yep. That new flint. Uh-oh. We just had a boo-boo. Well, that happens from time to time. That they're just glued on there. So that's gonna have to be repaired. I've never had that happen when shooting a video, but that's a Pacific Railroad. Okay, might as well get right to it. That's kind of embarrassing for Mr. Zippo. Okay, here we have the Foote, F-O-O-T-E brothers. Foote brothers. Well, they're Western Chicago, World War II. This lighter is also from the 1950s. It's kind of like a monogram or a signature on the back that's engraved. M-B-A-M. M-B-A-M. Whoever that is. Michael Band. So anyhow, Foote brothers. Better power transmissions through better gears. So the Foote brothers in Chicago, World War II, they made transmissions. Yep. I think they were pretty sure that they were commissioned by the government to make transmissions for the Jeeps, make parts, World War II. And in Chicago, there's a famous Foote, F-O-O-T-E, mansion. So let's open this up. Look at that chimney, looks pretty clean. Nice spark. Great shape. So you can see on the bottom there that that's from the 50 to 57. So, you know, post World War II. But the Foote brothers, pretty famous in Chicago, transmittance. So, yep. Transmissions. Don't ever put the transmitafuel where the oil goes. Know what I'm saying? So, Mr. Zippo is going to have to repair this Pacific Railroad. Get that thing back. I have to use the proper glue. I have to, never had to glue one of those emblems on there, but yikes. So I'll find out what kind of glue Zippo uses. Okay, so look for us on Facebook, just under Zippo World, and Mr. Zippo, 2 Facebook pages, Mr. Zippo and Zippo World. And our eBay store, CHRISTOSG 510, Army, Navy, Marines. Lots of Zippo lighters from 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s up until the current day. So take a look. Have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. So stay tuned.